Here's Davinci Resolve version 17. I blurred out something on this window and I want to unhide or show something here in the center. So let's see how to make it visible, how to make it transparent. So I'm here on the color tab. I use this one, which is called the window, and there I applied this linear thing. That one is this. The blurriness of this one is given by this and the radius. Okay, and let's go back there and also apply a linear window. It is here. It also has feathering on the side. You can reduce that one from softness. Just drag those values down to 0 and the softness disappears. Okay, so position that one there in the center, resize it as needed, something like that. And to remove the blurriness from here, this is the rectangle, and come here to that one. And voila, now it is unhidden. So if I click on it, it's blurred. And if I click on it once again, it gets whiter here, but it's not blurred there.